Uniform Civil Code. A sociological analysis. Introduction. Analyzing UCC through sociological perspectives, focusing on the thoughts of Yogendra Singh, Brian Wilson, and Emile Durkheim. Yogendra Singh on Uniform Civil Code. Yogendra Singh sees law as a legitimizing force that can both initiate and hasten social change, shaping societal transformation. Secularization. According to Brian Wilson, secularization means institutions increasingly becoming free from religious assumptions, leading to more objective social frameworks. Durkheim's view. Durkheim emphasizes that increasing moral and material density and population leads to differentiation of labor based on organic solidarity, requiring reformative laws. Further analysis of UCC. UCC can be explored through concepts such as alienation, the iron cage of rationality, hot ethnicity, and identity movements. Conclusion. The sociological analysis of UCC illuminates how law, secularization, and social change interplay to shape modern society's legal and cultural landscape.